Hey gang, Puppy here. This is a Tips Blitz 19 post. An important tip, I think, in my opinion. Are you new to digital electronic metrology instruments like digital micrometers, digital calipers, digital indicators? Okay, now if your shop is not heated and insulated and you have expensive digital metrology instruments, you're just getting into them, you do not want to leave them out in the shop when it gets cold. In cold winter nights when there's 10 feet of snow on the ground and the shop's not insulated and it's not heated, those liquid crystal displays are going to freeze. You know what happens to liquids when it freezes? Liquids expand when they freeze. You know what happens when liquids expand when freezing? They break through barriers holding them in cells and assemblies. Freezing kills liquid crystal displays. So, hey, it's your money, but you spent $500 on a DRO for your machine and you don't heat the shop. Big snowfall, you may be replacing the displays. There's some JPEGs on after this. Have a jump bag. Carry them in. Carry them out. It beats replacing expensive digital metrology instruments.